Hello friends, welcome back to the Money Video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys. And today friends, I am going to show you guys the Realme phone guys power off and restart setting. Friends, you want to power off, you want to restart your Realme mobile phone. How to restart, how to power off. In the video friends, we will talk about one by one and step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, today friends I will show you guys a shortcut setting on your Realme phone device. Then friends you can power off, you can restart your phone without press any button friends. So friends click on additional setting. After additional setting friends you can see this type interface on your Realme mobile. Friends you can see schedule power on and off time. So friends you want to schedule, you want to set schedule time, your phone power off, auto power on, auto power off. So you can set guys schedule time. So we will not set schedule time, we will click accessibility setting and then scroll it and then click here accessibility menu setting and then right side click here. As you can see OK option, click here friends and friends come back. Friends now you can see get this icon on your screen where left side get this button home icon. So friends click here and friends you can see there are many settings. Friends you can increase volume, you can decrease volume, you can increase and decrease brightness on your device friends. Friends you want to check recent app, you can check recent app. Friends you want to take a screenshot with shortcut setting. Friends you can take a screenshot without three finger and without any button. You want to add it so you can add it also. And friends if you click here notification setting, friends you can check your notification. So friends there are many shortcut setting on your device and you can use on your Realme phone device. Friends you can lock your screen, you want to lock a screen, you can lock the screen and you can unlock your phone. Click here. So friends click on power setting, click here friends power setting and friends now you can friends power off your Realme phone and you can restart. Friends if you swipe here like downside so you can power off. Friends you want to restart so friends you can restart your phone with shortcut setting. Without press any button guys you can restart and you can power off your Realme phone. Friends I don't want to power off, I just show you guys. You want to power off your guys, press here and you can power off. You want to restart, swipe here and you can restart. And friends this woman icon you don't want to use so friends click here accessibility setting and friends scroll it and friends you can remove the shortcut setting, turn off your shortcut setting and friends woman icon will remove on our screen. So like that friends we can use Realme phone guys shortcut power off and restart setting. So I hope friends you understood how to use Realme phone shortcut setting, power off and restart phone setting. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Now do you have any doubt so you can ask me in comment section. Bye guys.